I'm Ruby Martinez with Pro Fashion, and today I'm going to show you how to use your trifecta styling wand to create professional styles at home. A major key to styling your hair stress-free is to make sure that you're picking the right size barrel for your hair. Since I have thinner but longer hair, I like to go for a 1 inch. If you're someone who has shorter hair, I definitely recommend the 1/2 inch. This is going to be great for your length. If you have longer or thicker hair, the 1.5 inch is going to be perfect. So now I'm going to show you how to properly get a nice tight spiral curl. A few tips to start off. You always want to make sure your barrel is facing down at a 45-degree angle, and you always want to make sure you're twirling the curl away from the face. I'm going to show you exactly how that looks like. Of course, you want to start off by sectioning your hair, so we're going to get started with that. Okay, so for this curl, you want to grab about an 1 to 2 inch section, okay? Just gonna give it a quick brush so that it's not knotted or tangled or anything like that. So now I'm gonna grab the barrel with my right hand and the section of my hair with my left hand. Now that you got that, we're gonna place the barrel facing down at a 45-degree angle. We're also gonna place it on top of the curl and twirling the hair away from the face. Now notice how flat that section is against the barrel. This is gonna give us a really nice, beautiful, tight spiral curl. We're gonna hold there for about 3 to 5 seconds. And for this tight curl, you're just gonna glide the iron up and let the curl fall down. So as you can see, that is a very tight spiral curl. So you're gonna continue those techniques throughout the whole head of hair, but first I'm gonna show you how to easily curl a section on the back of your head. This can be a little tricky for people, but once I show you this tip, it's gonna be so easy. So I'm just gonna grab a section from the back of my hair. Give it a quick little brush. So to curl the back of your hair, the one trick is to grab the barrel behind your head. This is gonna make it so much easier to style the back of your head. So keeping it face down at a 45-degree angle, twirling away from my face, and keeping the hair nice and flat on the barrel. 3 to 5 seconds. And go ahead and release the curl and bring the barrel up. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to get the same curls on the right side of your face. I know it can be tricky for some people since we're so used to working with the left side. So go ahead and mimic the same techniques that I showed you on the left side to the right side. The only thing different is that you'll be grabbing the barrel with your left hand and grabbing the section of hair with your right hand. So again, grabbing about an inch section with the right hand and the barrel with the left hand, you're going to place the barrel facing down at a 45-degree angle and twirl the hair away from the face and keeping the section of hair nice and flat on the barrel. We're gonna keep the same technique of gliding the iron up. Okay, another section. Once you have that already, you're gonna just glide the barrel on up. That's a cute little tight curl right there. Once you get those techniques down, it makes it so easy to curl the rest of your hair. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. If you have any question or for more information on our products and tools, visit our website at profashionhair.com.